Alright guys, what's going on? So we're kind of gliding into 2020. Nice little easy video for you. So the Prius is really dirty and our car wash is shut down, so I'm just going to wash it myself. Look at that dirty booty. We can't be sliding into the new year like that. So we're just going to rinse it off inside the shop ourselves. Yo YZ, can I have your hose?
You can have my hose. Always can.
Okay.
Jose.
You got stones or something? All right, so makeshift car wash. I got some glass cleaner here. We're gonna spray her down, rinse her off, and then we'll have a pretty booty, I hope. Quit squirting it.
Are you cleaning or spray painting? Gotta get that even coat. Well, that tastes like shit. When you're too poor to afford a $5 car wash.
What is your problem? I told you, the car wash is shut down.
I don't believe you.
Go look at the snow pile.
You see, kids, this is what poor people do. It still doesn't taste good.
Why?
Did you get that on film?
Yeah, my arms are sore. You want to do it for a minute? Do you have any more brake clean or like glass cleaner? Glass cleaner. We're gonna go fuck up Sam's ass.
Do it.
Fucking retarded. Don't worry, I got it zoomed in.
He didn't even notice. He thought I was just filming him. Oh. Turn around. Is it still there? What are you doing?
This is what matters. It's a hybrid.
Ah.
It's Bretty bench. Find any dank memes or what?
What? No, I'm just looking for fucking.
Wiz.
What's up?
Now that he called you Wiz, I think like your nickname now has to be Cheese Whiz.
I heard that one.
As he giddily washes his car, here we have a wild YZ staring into the great abyss, contemplating his life. More from that later. Back to him.
You really want to do circles so you can get that deep shine.
You're supposed to rub the sand in. It's good for the paint. It's like a buffet.
I mean, no, but alright.
Bro, I'm gonna K-swap and boost it.
Dude, just put a roll cage in it. There's just so much horsepower.
Roll down the window, Ed. What, you got a hot date?
Things are way too expensive. You get yourself a hooker, you get in, get out. That's how that works. Couple hundred bucks, and you call it a day. She doesn't call you, you don't call her.
Is she
Doesn't
ugly?
cost you any more money. Who cares? I mean, at that point, look. But we're not married.
Right here.
We're not married.
That's true. All right, guys, so that's going to close out the little Prius car wash video. I hope everybody had a wonderful week. Coming up, we got a Coming up, we got a few tool reviews that we are doing, as well as back to the twin supercharged Fox Buddy, now that I'm feeling a little better and I'm not all concussed anymore. So anyway, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Hit that bell notification so you're updated every time that we upload a video. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.